Woo. I'll play you one more and we'll get out of this. On a 10 amps MD8K.
Do you know the specs of the box?
Yeah, it's a 1.5 to 1. 2652 is what it's tuned.
This is different. I've never seen a port on the side. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You've been doing a lot of testing, haven't you?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a lot of testing.
Nice. What vehicle?
2004 Blazer.
All right. Nice bracing here. I bet you that helps a lot.
Woo. I'll play you one more and we'll get out of this hot.
DJ Hertz music. Baby, lay on back, relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here where we at. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. It is meant to be.
Yeah, you got AC in here too.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Wow, man. That's musical. So you got really great bandwidth.
Oh yeah, yeah. It peaks around 35 hertz.
Okay. That's a low peak.
It is.
Wow. Is that kind of where you want it, or?
It is. Those subs, they really respond to low frequencies real good.
Okay.
A little bit. I had ZVX cars and they didn't do quite as well.
No. Probably didn't like the 6th order as much.
Well, I'm fixing to rip all of this out and go with 4.
Okay.
But I'm gonna tell you, I fell in love with those Terramp amplifiers.
You did?
Oh my god! As long as they're set right.
Yeah.
The pre-out voltage isn't too high.
Yes, sir. Okay.
They're great amps.
Could I see the seats up? See the amp? And is there anything in the back?
I'd have to take this panel.
Don't worry
off.
about it. Oh, so you got it actually hidden behind.
Yeah, it's behind that.
Wow,
panel with
really?
A fan that pulls it in on this side.
Oh, so you got like an AC circuit
Yeah.
flow through.
And it comes back out this side.
Okay. So is it?
There's not really much else to see.
What are you wired to with the 3 subs?
0.67.
0.67. Okay. How's your rise? Do you know?
I'm 0.67. I rise to 0.92.
0.92. Okay.
So not even quite 1 ohm.
Not even. Okay. Awesome. All right. Thank you for the demo, man.
Oh yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
You too, bud. I built that one right next to you. That's my son's truck.
Okay.
He's got 412s in here.
Nice. going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.